Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to show you how to draw the character Kevin from the new show Hamster and Gretel. Before we get started, everybody, please feel free to like and comment and subscribe. Any of that stuff is awesome and really helps out the channel a lot. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so let's start drawing Kevin. Let's start with an eye. I'm going to start up here and I'm going to do a circle. Like that. And now inside that circle, I'm going to do another one and another one. So this one here, I'm going to color in all dark, and then the littlest circle, I'm going to leave that one white. Okay, like that. So next we can do a little nose. It's just kind of like the shape of a letter C. And now let's do a eyebrow. Not much to an eyebrow. And let's do the other eye. So it's another circle. But before we finish our circle, I'm going to leave a little bit of room right here. It's going to be a unfinished circle for a second. And I'm going to do a swoop coming down right here. And then going up like that. So this is going to be part of his hair and just kind of comes over the eye. So now we can do the rest of the eye. We can do the inside circle with the little circle in it and then color that in all black. And then an eyebrow. And let's give him a little smile. All right, so let's keep working on the hair now. So let's see. Let's do a little slanting line like that. And then come on up. And now I'm going to bring this line over. So we almost have like a V shape here. And I'm going to extend this line. And this right here is going to slant upward a bit. And then right here, we can come down a bit and then do a little rounded shape for an ear. And the inside of the ear, we're just going to have like a kind of like a 3. Just a silly little shape. And right here, we can bring this line down. And it's almost going like through the eye. Let's do like a little cheek here and round it out. And over here, we can come on slanting downward here. And this line can slant downward as well. And let's work some more on the hair. So I'm going to bring this line up a bit. And this, we can bring it slanting this way. And then bring it over here by the ear. And then it's going to kind of stick out a little bit past the ear, and then here by the neck. You can have like a little point right here. And now over on this side, a bit above the eye, we can do a little swoopy line right there. And then come on up. And slanting up this way. And then come on down. And I'm going to extend this line right here a bit. Okay, so now we've got his face done and the hair done. Now let's work a bit on the outfit. So I'm going to do a little slanted line right here and do a line here for the collar of the shirt. So we can come on down. He's got like a button-up shirt that he leaves unbuttoned. Do a little line here, and then over this way. And then we've got a little line coming behind the neck, and we can bring that line down right here. Over here, we're going to do like a little collar for his t-shirt. and then bring this line down a bit. And now we can do a little line right there, and then bring this line down as well. Now right here, we got a line, and then we can bring it in here. And then this line is gonna go here to the neck, and that's going behind the neck, and it's meeting up with that line. All right, so now we can do a sleeve like that, the sleeve of a shirt. And over here we can do another shirt sleeve. And let's do an arm. We've got two lines, and we can do a thumb. And come on down a bit, and we've got a finger, and another one, and another one, and connect that there to that line for the arm. And here we're going to bring this line down to make that shirt a bit longer, and then go this way. Over here by the sleeve, we're going to bring a line down, and that's going to match up here behind the line for the arm. And over here we can bring this line down further, and this one too. And right here we can do a line, bring it down for the pants, and a little line going sideways, and then another line going down, and we can bring a line right here downward. And this spot right here, we're going to bring it across. And now let's do another arm. So we've got a line coming down, and let's do a hand. So got another thumb and a finger, another one, and another one. And the funny thing about these characters is I'm pretty sure they only have 4 fingers. Well, 3 fingers and a thumb. So you don't have to draw the entire hand, really. All right, so we are finished our drawing of Kevin, and now I'm going to get started with some coloring. All right, everyone, we're finished our drawing of Kevin. Thank you for drawing with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for whatever we draw next. Okay, everyone, goodbye.